Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a galaxy style painting. This is a painting I made back on Mother's Day. The paper I'm using, as you can see, is very rough. It's not a normal drawing paper, it's a handmade paper. This is the kind of paper that is best for watercolor because of its great water absorption quality. Now as you can see, so this is a stencil I made on a plain drawing paper and then I cut it out. I'm simply gonna put it on the handmade paper and start tracing out the outline. We're doing this because I could have drawn it on the directly on the handmade paper, but you see, when you commit mistakes you have to erase them, and when you erase, the paper starts peeling off. The handmade paper is not like any drawing normal drawing paper, it is cotton based, so the eraser will tear the paper apart, which you don't want. As you can see now, the outline is complete. Now this is the kind of eraser you're gonna avoid. This is Faber Castell, you're gonna avoid that. You're gonna use this eraser. This is called a kneadable eraser. You can find it on any online shopping app. I got mine from Amazon. I'm gonna tell you what's the difference. You see, when you erase with a normal eraser, the paper starts peeling off, which is not very pretty. And you see, the kneadable eraser gets the job done right, and the paper does not peel off long. For the brushes, I'm gonna be using Dial series, and for the color, I'm gonna be using Gusto's Artist Watercolor. It has 24 assorted shades. Now you see, this is a painting you need to do with a special technique called wash. Okay, in wash technique, what you have to do first is you have to wet the paper beforehand. In any watercolor painting, it is recommended to wet the paper, so let it soak beforehand, so the colors don't produce angry blotches or lines which you don't want. You see, I'm just wetting the paper with normal water. Make sure the water does not bleed out of the outlines. Keep it nice and clean. As you can see, I'm using a thicker brush. If you are not so confident, you can use a thinner brush for this. See, there's this pink shade, so I'm gonna be taking the shade called Rose Madder Lake from my color set. If your color set does not have this shade, do not worry, you can always mix vermilion with some little white and you will get the pink color you want. Vermilion and white. Okay, do not add crimson and white, that is a whole different shade. I'm just gonna be tapping the brush lightly and just blending out the lines. You see, this is why we soak the paper first. The color bleeds out on its own, takes shape. All you have to do is to guide it with your brush, and that's it. I'm gonna be taking Prussian blue for the bluish shade we have in this painting. Prussian blue is present in every color set, you don't have to worry. See, I have dropped a bit of Prussian blue on the painting. No need to worry, you just take some water and dab it and just blend it out. Do not worry, it's just a galaxy. It is not supposed to be in a certain shape or something. You can give it any shape, any color you want. Just make sure your colors complement each other. Okay, do not use like red with pink or yellow with pink, because you see the colors are mixing. You can see on the paper the colors are mixing together, they are blending together. So when you use red or yellow, they will mix together and make a very different kind of shade which you don't want. Now I'm gonna be using violet, as it goes with both pink and blue. It is a shade which will complement them both. You see, I'm making out these lines. We do not want these sharp lines, so I'm just gonna blend it out with plain water. No need for any color, just blend it out with water while it's still wet. A bit on the boy's side as well. As you can see, the violet I applied is looking a bit darker in contrast with pink, so you don't have to worry. You just take a tissue paper and just dab it. You see, it became lighter. And if you wanna lighten it more, you just have to apply some water on it and then dab it with the tissue. The tissue absorbs the water along with the color, as you can see, and it becomes lighter. My painting is still very wet, and to let it dry for at least 30 minutes. So now I have dried my painting. It is not completely dry because I don't want that. I want the colors to blend in together, so I will not dry it completely. I'm just applying black to the outlines of the painting, as you can see, not everywhere. I'm gonna be making the kid a bit darker than his mom because I wanna show this idea of transfer of knowledge from mom to her child. You know, mother is the first teacher we have. So that is the idea I wanna depict in this painting. So like I told you before, you have to apply color in layers. You cannot just apply all the colors at once. It does not work that way. So you just have to apply a layer, then let it dry, and then apply another layer, then let it dry. This is the part of the process. If you wanna apply colors right away, you can use hair dryer. I let my painting dry for at least 2 hours, and I have applied the second layer, which is nothing new. You just have to put the same colors you put in the base layer again on top of the first layer. So this is my second layer. I'm just working it out. As you can see, that effect is already showing the transition from mother to son. Color transition is looking quite pretty. As you can see, the painting is now almost complete, so I'm just gonna be adding some final finishing touches. I took a white gel pen To make out the outlines a bit sharper, the nose, as you can see, was a bit round, so I made it more defined. I sharpened it with the white gel pen. And the lip portion of the baby, I defined it according to my liking. Now all I have to do is add some locks of hair. I'm gonna be using this Sakura Micron pens. Just a few locks of hair would do. As you can see, the mother is wearing her hair in a bun, so you don't have to have lots of locks, just some. I am defining the back portion of the baby's head a bit more, since the color on the inside is black, so it won't stand out, and I don't think this needs any more correction, so I'll just let it be. To make out the stars, so make sure the painting is completely dry before you do this step. I again took the white gel pen and I'm making out stars. You can do this in any design, any arrangement of stars would do. So this is the final outcome. I really hope you like my video. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.